In this video, we are going to go through the main features of a unit owner or tenant user account type. Every unit owner or tenant will get a welcome email with a temporary password to their account and the link to the online portal. On clicking the link, you'll have to input your temporary password before you can change it. Then just input your new password. And once you've done that, you can log into the online portal. So the first thing that you'll see will be the privacy policy. Just have to go through it and read it, and then click click this checkbox and confirm. Now this is your dashboard. You will see all of your units here. If you have multiple units, then all of those units will be listed on the dashboard. If you click this icon, you will see all of the notifications from your property manager, all notifications regarding your transactions. So that means updates regarding your statement of account, billing, payments, um, maintenance request updates, visits and deliveries, and your permit applications. If you click on a specific notification, then you can mark it as read. Now, you will see a note if there is a balance for a particular unit and you can pay for your dues online. Just click on this button, check the billing summary, and then continue to payment. For now, the only payment option available is through PayPal, but we are looking to add more third-party payment integrations in the future. So you can choose to pay with PayPal if you have a PayPal account already, or you can choose this option. If you click this option, then you will have to input your debit or credit card details. Okay, so let's just wait for the page to load. Okay, so we'll use the dummy credit card just to see how it works. If you want to create a PayPal account, then you can click this button. Otherwise, just click this and the checkbox, and then click Pay Now. So paying for your dues is as simple as that. Um, Next is here you will be able to see all of the things that you can do on the website. You can send messages to your property manager, check all of your payments. So here, this is the online payment that we just made. And here you get a notification that the payment has been received by your property manager. Um, Once your property manager uploads an official receipt for this transaction, then you'll be able to see the OR number here and click it to see the actual photo or scanned copy of the official receipt. So let's go back to the dashboard. Here on the dashboard, you have quick links. So you can send a message to your property manager by clicking on this link. You can click this button if you want to create a maintenance request for your unit. So you can choose from several issue types, so plumbing, electricity, lighting, sorry, furniture fixes, pest control, and others. So for example, if you have a clogged sink, then you can choose plumbing and then put clogged sink in the description. If, for example, you're going to report or create a maintenance request for a common area, then you can click this checkbox here. You can also attach any photos that you may have by clicking on this button. Okay. The other quick link is this, is for the visits and deliveries. So if you click this button, it will take you to this form. Then you can select from these visit types. So short-term visitor is for a date, is for someone who's just going to be in your unit for a day. Long-term visitor is for someone who's going to be staying in your unit or house for a period of time, such as for Airbnb guests. And delivery, well, that's pretty self-explanatory. So let's pick delivery, and you can enter the name, the delivery person, and the contact number, and then input the expected time in. And for the purpose, I'm going to say, if you have the card details of the delivery person, then you can also input it here so that it's easier for the security to check um, when the person is about to enter the building or the subdivision. So if you navigate to the requests page and click on the unscheduled tab, then you will see the request that we just created. You can view the details here. You can update it as long as it hasn't been scheduled yet by your property manager. Once it's been scheduled, then it will appear on this tab. So you can also add a maintenance request from this page. So it's the same as what we did earlier, except now you can choose which unit. So for example, this unit, then just choose the issue type again. Um, and add another maintenance request. If you navigate to the visits and deliveries page, then you'll also see the visit or delivery that we created earlier. You can also add by clicking that button. So it's the same as what we did earlier. So the next would be permits. If you have to file for a specific permit, then you can go to this page and click on the Add Permit Application button. So just choose your unit, permit type, input the name of the permit folder, contact number, and the validity of the permit. So let's say the renovation is going to start on September 28th, and just click September 28th here. And if it's going to end on September 13th, then just import that here as well. You can also choose the time. So 8 a.m. to, for example, 3 p.m. And then input the card details again if it's available. And here you can type the details. So the purpose or any other personnel who will be entering your unit. If you have any supporting documents, then you can just click attach file and upload it to the portal as well. So once you're done, just click submit and you'll be able to see all your pending permit applications on this page and in this tab. So if you click the application number, you can update the details as long as it hasn't been approved by your property manager yet. So that's it for this video, and we'll discuss the other details and features of the unit owner or tenant user account type in the next video.